Let me ask you a question. Do you want to know how to engage your audience? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the Life Skills Coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to share some ideas on how you can engage your audience. Without engagement, audience will not remember anything. Here are some ways to connect when you are on the stage. Number 1, movement. Get people to raise their hands, clap, turn around, stand up, make them dance, get their blood flowing. Number 2, get people to repeat after you. For example, when I'm doing a session on self-esteem, I make people stand up and then I tell them to hug themselves and say with enthusiasm, I love myself, I love myself, I love myself. Number 3, get people to complete your sentence. For example, ladies and gentlemen, the number 1 problem in our country is, someone will say corruption, somebody will say politicians. That's engagement. Number 4, get away from the podium or stage. Come down to the level of the audience. Go closer to them, and even a little touch is okay. This will engage them and they will remember you. If you have any ideas on how you can connect with people and engage your audience, please share in the comments below so that others can also benefit from your experience. I hope you found the video useful. Yes? Then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.